Hey, you guys! It's literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes by myself, sometimes I say stuff, sometimes I do stuff. What's up, guys? I totally did not think that this was going to be a hands video, but it's Sunday and I'm not presentable, and I literally just got a SHEIN bag that I have been waiting for, and originally I was going to do like, you know, look at me, I'm pretty type video, but this is a bunch of stuff that I want to use to decorate my work cubicle, and I want to take it tomorrow, which is Monday. So we're going to open it up right now. I have not opened this up at all, so I have no idea what any of this stuff looks like yet, but it's a ton of stuff. Some of it cubicle related, some of it home, some of it it's just a mismatch of stuff. I think I spent like $40 or something like that. SHEIN had a 4th of July sale, and of course I took part in that. So let's go ahead and unbag this bitch. I'm just gonna pull, jeez, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. This is a la 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 la. Why does it seem like, okay. So they put it in a big SHEIN bag. Okay. Thought I was just gonna pull them out one by one, but looks like I gotta open up this thing. Oh, what's this? I ordered so much stuff, so I can't even remember, but oh yes, this is a cubicle item. I got some amazing Art Deco gothy style frames for my cubicle because I kind of have a black, gold, green, and pink theme going. These are just, wow. Okay, so this is one of the frames. I think I got 3. This is, wow, this is really nice. I thought it would be more like paper, but it's like a wood. Oh, that is super cute. This was like under $2. So, oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, I see this big purple thing and I know what this is and it's pretty boring, but this is a pack of 12 of the nail buffers, and this was 96 cents. I have bought these on Amazon a zillion times over and definitely never got this many for 96 cents, so definitely pick that up. Next, I bet you this is another frame. Oh my gosh, yes! Okay. Oh, another, look how gorgeous this is. I am in love with these. So you have to hang them with like a little sticky or something. There's no glass or anything. They're kind of just decorative, but for under $2, oh my gosh, these are freaking gorgeous. What do I pull out here? What? Oh yeah, okay, so this is actually kind of like a wearable thing. I'm not gonna be trying anything on in this video, obs, but I am going to a music festival in September called Imagine, and it is a oceanic underwater theme. So I wanted to start getting some festival pieces, and I actually saw this on Amazon, and I was like, you know what, let me check and see if SHEIN has something very similar for cheaper. And here, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So this is kind of like a halter top, kind of belly thing or whatever. Obviously I would wear a top underneath, but then I'm gonna put this over for some mermaid vibes. This is so gorgeous. I think this was only like $8 or maybe even less than that, but oh my gosh. I will have kind of a Imagine Festival lookbook, so you will be able to see this on that video, but oh, this is stunning. All right, I know these, okay, so these are actually gothy wallpaper, and they're supposed to be peel and stick, so not like actual wallpaper. This is what I want to put on my cubicle walls so that I can get, right now I have on my cubicle walls, like I'm the weirdo at work, right? I have like just black poster board to kind of black out the gray material that the cubicles are in. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I did get 2 rolls so that I had enough to cover the area I need in my cubicle. But you have to imagine, okay, so this on my cubicle walls, and then the little frames And I already have like some artwork at work, obviously, that I'm gonna have, but oh my gosh, I can see it now. So these two rolls, I think were like $4.80 a piece, but oh my gosh, I hope that this works out. Yeah, it looks like a peel and stick. Maybe at the end of this video, I will take some video of my cubicle once it is set up so that you can feel the vibes. All right. What is this? It's a piece of cardboard. All right, oh yeah. So excited about this. This is another Imagine Festival piece that I'm planning on wearing. One of the days I am going to be kind of like a goddess. And this is a headband that is gold and oh, it's actually way better material than I thought it was going to be. It's a little bit thicker. But yeah, this is like a sun goddess headband. This was less than $5 and on Amazon they're like $20. So I really, really like that. And another Imagine Festival outfit, obviously not trying this on for you today, but this is one of the days I'm going to wear like a bodysuit and some leggings, and then this is a fishnet kind of, this is obviously the panty part, but this is kind of a stretchy long sleeve top. It looks so tiny, obviously. This is the neck hole. It's kind of like a crop top, but it's got long sleeves. And then here's where your torso is going to come out. Obviously, this is going to stretch. But I thought this would be super cute. Again, I'm going to do a lookbook for Imagine, so you'll be able to see some of these things if they work out for me. This was less than $2. So in order to make a very cheap festival outfit, I thought this was a great find. All right, another nail item. These are reusable kind of cuticle push sticks. Since I've been doing the Aura Dashing Diva gel strips, which they have been working out pretty good for me, guys, I gotta admit, but you need to use these in order to get them off when you use the dissolver. And I was going through the wooden ones like pretty quickly, and this was a set of like 100, I think, or 50 for less than $1. And so I picked these up just for nail maintenance. This is just a lounge set, obviously. Not trying this on for you. If you want to see it, maybe I'll have it in a video later. But it's just like kind of a little pajama top in a very soft knit, kind of sweatery material, and then a pair of shorts. They're looking a little small. I think I bought a large, let's see. Oh my gosh, I bought a medium. Why did I do that? I think I read in the reviews that they ran really big, so I was like, okay, I'll buy a medium, but don't know about that. But this set was less than $5, so I thought as like a little lounge set, it was pretty cute. This is, yeah, this was one of those things that like when you're just browsing and you see it and it's $1, you're like, hey, I think I'm gonna try that out. This goes in your car, this goes in the aux outlet, and then this is a laser that projects onto wherever you're pointing it, basically like the roof of your car. And it was available in red and purple, and I got purple. And then supposedly if you twist this, it turns the lasers to like different patterns and stuff. I'm going to stick a video right here of what it looks like in the car. Obviously, I'll have to do a night scene, but hopefully I'll get some footage of what it looks like on the roof and then what it looks like by turning the knob. But yeah, so for $1, I mean, come on. All right, this is something that I have been meaning to get for a very long time. This is a box of different, oh, look how great. Yeah, okay. This is a box of washi tape, and if you watch some of my videos, I don't have like a good tape to do my eye makeup. So this, wow, these are very thin, but I think this was like $1.60 or so, and you got all these rolls with like all these patterns and stuff, and it looked gray on the photo. It looks kind of brown here, but you know, hey, I can use this. Another real boring thing, but still useful. I bought this 100 pack of these holographic bags because when I sell stuff on Mercari, I put like a little free, you know, jewelry item or makeup item or something, and it's just nice to have it in a separate container. So, oh, there we go. So I got these little bags just to stick like goodies in when I make sales on Mercari. So those were like $1.25 or something. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see how this looks. This was like bought for another Cubicle thing. Oh my gosh, I don't know. This is supposed to be a realistic, realistic, quote unquote. If I could do air quotes, I would. Monstera leaf, fake plant thing. So, okay. You know, a lot better than I thought it was going to be. I was expecting the worst, guys. I was really expecting the worst. Oh, kind of like that. But for real though, like, oh, it's okay. Yeah, I'm going to try this. So hopefully I will be able to put some Cubicle footage and you'll be able to see it in there. But I want to say this was like $4 or something. And yeah, these feel plasticky, but I mean, way more detailed than what I thought it was going to be, like that fluorescent green plastic, you know, and I was like, oh God, everyone's going to make fun of me. But from a distance, these might actually look pretty good. So happy with that. All right, down to the last two items here. This, now that I see the size of this, I really wish I would have ordered another one. They had this in white, blue, and pink. I really should have got the pink one. This is one of those pump bottles that, like, I'm always talking about the toner that I like. So you put the liquid in there and, whoop, see if you, how's this work? There we go. Okay. Yeah. You can like put the cotton ball. So I bought this actually for acetone for nail polish because I thought, wow, that's going to be really convenient. Fill this up with acetone if it doesn't melt the bottle. And then you can have your cotton pad. Look, they were advertising it for nails and acetone. So I'm assuming, but you know, if you are wondering, you can just ask and I'll tell you. But yeah, dude, this is actually like a really nice size and it was only $1. So I think it's like kind of pretty. Okay, I am good with that, SHEIN. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, here is the last item. I know exactly what it is because I haven't seen it yet. Yep, you guessed it. It is another one of those gorgeous frames. This is the oval one. Oh my gosh, guys, look how gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to like get my desk put together. It's going to be the little gothy home that I want. Oh gosh, these are so nice, guys. For under $2, can't beat that. That's all I have for you today, guys. What'd you think? Did you like my Cubicle? Do you like any of these items from SHEIN? If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment down below, just like I asked you to like 5 seconds ago, you would be awesome. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of my antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you so, so much. I will see you on the next one.